Those two, right there, are those two going to be the same tasting orangey flavor, or is one going to be more orangey than the other?
They're not going to be the same. I don't think they're going to be the same orangey taste because this has more orange drink in it than this does. This only has 2, but this one has 5.
Okay, what do you think?
I think that they...
Well, first, can you say I disagree or I agree with her?
I disagree because I think that they are equivalent, so they would taste the same.
What do you mean by equivalent?
Because if you divided them, they would equal. If you divided this one, it would equal to this one.
Can you prove that to me on your paper mathematically? What do you mean by if you divide them? What fraction is this? What fractional part of this is?
That's 2/4.
Okay, so you can write that down. And then what's this one? Hold on just a minute. What are you thinking?
Not equivalent.
Why? You're changing your thinking now? And you think
They're not equivalent because 4 cannot go into 10. You cannot multiply 4 by anything to equal 10, and you cannot multiply 2 by anything to equal 5 or divide. So they can't be equivalent.
Okay, can you tell me how many orange we have to sodas in this one? What's the ratio of orange to sodas?
2 to 2.
Okay, what's the rate? Can you write that down, please? Can you write that down, please? All right, what's the ratio of the orange to sodas in the next one?
Which one?
In the next one?
This one.
That one? What's the ratio?
The ratio is 5 to 5.
Do you agree with her, Cheyenne? 5 to 5?
Because there's 5 shaded, and then the other one has 5 extra ones.
Okay. So looking at the ratio, what do you see is similar there?
The similarity is that each one equals the same number. For every two orange cups, there's soda. There's 2 sodas.
Okay. Can we simplify that ratio? I like what you're doing there. So you notice that if you continue that pattern, it would be 4 to 4. Would that be the same as a 1 to 1? Do those look like they'd be the same 1 to 1?
Yeah, if you break down this. If you simplify 2, then it'll simplify down to 1. And then it'll be the same thing. So it'll be 2 to 2.
Okay, and then if we continue that pattern,
3 to 3.
and then keep going. Okay, so this is a 2 to 2. This is a 5 to 5. So are they equivalent according to your ratio table? Why are they equivalent?
Because on her paper, if you keep adding them on, you end up getting to 5.
So they both have a 1-to-1 ratio. I could take this one and put it with that one. I can take this one and put it with that one. So for every powder or every orange, I'm putting in a soda. A cup of orange, a cup of soda. A cup of orange, a cup of soda. I can do the same thing here. A cup of this, a cup of that. A cup of this, a cup of that. It's still a 1-to-1. It's a 1-to-1. There's the 2-to-2. There's the 3-to-3. There's the 4-to-4. There's the 5-to-5. Can you give me another equivalent ratio that if we did this, if we kept adding cups, that would be equivalent to those two? Can you make up one more of your own? And you chose?
It was 8 to 8.
Okay. Can you give me one more?
Got it. Oh my god, I got it, guys.
And you chose what?
12 to 12.
Okay, why did you choose 12 to 12?
Because if you simplify this, then if you simplify, if you keep on simplifying these numbers,
Do you mean increase?
yeah, if you increase these numbers, then it'll sooner or later get to 12. So I pick 12 as my simplified answer.
Okay. Thank you.